RunwayML versus DeepAI. Which platform offers better generative models? If you're considering diving into the world of generative AI, you've probably come across both RunwayML and DeepAI. Both offer some intriguing features, but which one delivers more for your creative or business needs? Stick around, because I'll dive into the details and tell you which one comes out on top for generative models, at least in my opinion. By the end, you'll know exactly which platform is worth your time and money. First off, RunwayML positions itself as a creative toolkit for professionals. It's made waves by offering powerful AI models for generating images, videos, and text. One of its standout features is its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be an expert in machine learning to get started. You can access a wide range of pre-trained models that cater to visual artists, filmmakers, and designers. For example, they have tools for everything from generating deepfake-style videos to creating art from text prompts, similar to popular models like GPT-3 or DALL-E. But here's the thing, while the accessibility is great, it can also be a bit limiting if you're looking to really fine-tune your models or dig into custom training. Next thing, let's talk about the pricing. RunwayML offers a subscription-based model with various tiers depending on your needs. If you're a hobbyist or just getting started, you might be fine with their basic plan, but if you're a professional using it for bigger projects, the higher tiers could get pricey. And even then, you might hit some limits when it comes to performance or a number of projects you can run simultaneously. It's not the most budget-friendly, but it does pack a punch for creators. Now, let's turn our attention to DeepAI. DeepAI has been around for a while and is known for its straightforward approach to generative AI. It's all about simplicity, providing easy access to powerful AI tools for developers and creatives alike. Their platform gives you access to an impressive range of generative models, from text generation to style transfer and image enhancement. Unlike RunwayML, DeepAI is much more open when it comes to customization, offering an API that allows you to plug into the platform programmatically. This is a huge plus if you're a developer who wants to integrate AI models into your apps or websites. The fourth thing to note is DeepAI's pricing structure. It's much more transparent and typically more affordable than RunwayML. Their free tier is generous enough for smaller projects, and their paid plans are quite competitive, especially for those who need more flexibility or custom integrations. But while DeepAI's platform is great for developers, it might not offer the same level of ease of use for artists who want a more visual, drag-and-drop experience like RunwayML provides. Next, let's talk about performance. RunwayML is known for having strong performance with its high-quality models, but it can be a bit hit or miss. If you're working with larger models or complex datasets, you might experience slowdowns or need to upgrade to higher subscription tiers. On the other hand, DeepAI, being more developer-oriented, tends to offer a smoother experience with quicker access to a wide variety of models, but it does come with some limitations on certain high-demand models. The trade-off here is that while DeepAI may be faster in certain situations, it doesn't always have the same specialized models available that RunwayML does for creatives. Finally, let's wrap this up. Both RunwayML and DeepAI offer great generative models in their own right. RunwayML is a fantastic choice for creatives who want to jump in quickly and start producing with AI. However, if you're a developer or someone looking for a more customizable, affordable solution, DeepAI is probably the better bet. But here's the kicker. After testing both platforms extensively, I found a better alternative if your goal is really to push the boundaries of generative AI. If you're looking for something more robust and feature-packed, with no hidden fees or complex pricing models, then check out the free trial of the first link in the description. You'll get exclusive benefits just for being one of our viewers, and I'm confident it'll give you everything you need to take your generative AI projects to the next level.